When every cubic inch of air intake matters, experts rely on the butterfly valve. Now you can accelerate your dust collection system with Woodpecker's full throttle blast gates. Full throttle blast gates offer minimal obstruction of the ductwork by turning perpendicular to the airflow, instead of sliding sideways and leaving a large portion of the path blocked. Also, there's no track to fill up with chips and dust. Just a smooth path that won't create turbulence. We double tapered the fitting, so every brand of 4-inch dust collection hose will slide on, and there's a larger clamping area than any other blast gate on the market. Full throttle blast gates are available in inline and surface mount models to meet the needs of any small shop arrangement with 4-inch ducting. If you're ready to open up your dust collection system and let it breathe, you're ready for full throttle blast gates.